Dear all, welcome to the playlist of Power Electronics. In this session, I'll be discussing about the salient features of power MOSFETs. In the previous video, I have explained the importance of power transistors. I'll be sharing the link of the previous video in the description box. Moving on to the discussion. The features of power MOSFETs are given below. First in the foremost, what is the full form of power MOSFET? It is basically a metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. That is the elaboration of power MOSFET. You can able to use power MOSFET up to 100 kilohertz. That means it ensure and it is suitable for high frequency switching application. That is very clear. Compared to power BJT, there is no problem of secondary breakdown. Moreover, in case of power MOSFET, we can say that it is a current control device where the power MOSFET is basically voltage control device. Compared to power BJT, the power MOSFET is having lot of advantages. So I'll be discussing the advantages of power MOSFET over power BJT in this session. And we can compare to power BJT. We can say that it has low input current and high switching speed compared to power BJT, and they do not have any problem of second breakdown. Okay, so that's the main advantages features of power MOSFET. It ensures high input impedance. Moreover, it is an active device, Then power MOSFET is a minority carrier device. Okay, then low gate driver power requirement. Okay, so gate driver will be simple one only. So there are different gate driver IC like IR2111, IR2110 that I'll be discussing in the upcoming session. Moreover, providing gate driver will be simple in case of power MOSFET compared to power BJT. Then EC advanced paralleling capability. That is also special features of power MOSFET. And it ensure wide bandwidth. Okay. And regarding the construction, it ensure ruggedness. Okay. Construction will be the special features it is going to ensure that is it is having ruggedness. Then EC gate driver, I already told. Then simple biasing. Okay. These are the major salient features of power MOSFET. There are different varieties of power MOSFETs are available. Basically, N channel and P channel. You can see the direction of current actually. Okay, this is actually P channel power MOSFET and N channel power MOSFET. However, we are commonly used power MOSFET is basically N channel power MOSFETs. And we can say that it is having vertical structure topology. And also, it ensures high efficiency at low voltage. Okay, and switching losses are less compared to other type of switches in case of power MOSFET. Especially if I talk about power BJT, switching losses are more as compared to power MOSFETs. And we can say that the RDS on, that means RDS. Okay, RDS on state voltage drop, that is very less. RDS on is very less in case of power MOSFET. So that is why it is having very less switching losses, thereby it enhances high efficiency. Okay, that is also one of the remarkable point regarding power MOSFET. In this session, I have discussed about the importance of power MOSFET, the salient features, and I could compare power MOSFET with the power BJT. The main difference is power MOSFET is a voltage control device where power BJT is a current control device. Okay. In the upcoming session, I'll be discussing about the market availability of power MOSFET. Okay. And also I'll be discussing about the static characteristics as well as switching characteristics in the upcoming sessions.